fast for a second.
I can't even shuffle a deck of cards.
Same.
You want to see a magic trick?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, let me start out trying to get like an idea of how you think. So I'm gonna have you think of a number between 1 and 10. Okay, and I'm gonna try to guess it.
Okay.
All right. Which one of you wants to think of it? Because I can only do one at a time.
I got a number.
Okay, you already got it. I'm gonna write it down. Okay. I'm gonna say. All right. I'm gonna say this one. All right. What is it? You said. What'd you say?
3.
Oh, 3. Yeah, I thought so.
What?
Wanna try it again?
How?
Let's try it one more time.
Again?
Okay.
Yeah, let's try it with your friend.
Okay.
All right, ready? Tell me when you got it.
I got it.
Okay. Let me look at you. I think you're gonna say. I'm gonna say this one. Okay. What is it?
7.
7.
What the fuck? How you do that?
How?
How you do that?
Just good like that.
What? What? No way.
You want to see something else kind of crazy?
Yeah.
Okay, so look, I actually just made a prediction like right before before this. So I put one card in this envelope. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So inside here, I put one card. We're gonna come up with a card together, and we're gonna see if I got the prediction right. Okay. All right. So let's have. Which one of you wants to think of the card? Okay. All right. So in a deck of cards, are you familiar with cards in a deck?
It's a 52 right there.
Yeah, okay. So you've got number cards, which would be ace through 10, and you've got picture cards like jack, queen, king. So if I had a deck of cards in my hand and I were to take out the number cards or the picture cards, which ones would I take out?
Picture cards.
Okay. So the picture cards, you have jack, queen, and king.
Yes.
Which one would you want?
Queen.
Okay. Now would you want clubs, hearts, spades, or diamonds?
Hearts.
So queen of hearts. Free choice, right? Do you want to change your mind?
No.
Okay. Because I always like to make sure you don't want to change your mind before I take the card out. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I've got one card in this envelope. Wouldn't it be crazy if that was the card you narrowed it down to?
Yeah, sorry, go on.
What? What? There's no way. How? What, bro? What?
Out of 52 cards.
Oh my god.
Isn't that crazy?
What? Bro. That is crazy.
It is crazy.
Oh my god.
Yo, your camera look OP as hell. Oh God, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm doing a
Give me
YouTube
that.
video.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
What is it on?
I do like magic tricks and stuff. Hey, can I try to guess a number between 1 and 10 that you think of?
I
My
bet
video-
give it
Don't say it out loud, and don't
Wait,
think of
yeah.
don't think of 7 because everybody thinks of 7.
I got
All right.
the
All right. I'm gonna say this one. All right. What is it?
Oh, my number?
Yeah.
I picked 2.
You pick number 2. Look.
What the fuck? How the fuck did you do that? How the fuck?
That's crazy, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe to your YouTube.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate that.
No problem.
Watch.
What's up, man? A magic tricks? Nice.
Yeah, you want to see a trick?
Yeah, let's see. Man, I love Magic.
All right, check this out. I'm gonna try this on you real quick.
Sometimes this app just fucking skips you automatically, like skips you throughout the conversation as bullshit.
Yeah, that's true. All right. So check this out, man. This is I do this for YouTube, by the way. So
There you go.
yeah. So I'm gonna use the 2 queens here. So I got the Queen of Spades and the Queen of Clubs. So I'll just leave those right there, and then I'll just have you select a card. Okay. You can choose any card you want.
Let's see. 2 of hearts.
2 of Hearts. Okay. All right. Can I write something on it for you so you know it's yours, like your initials or name or something?
Go right ahead. CJG.
CJG. Okay. That way there's no way that I have any kind of duplicates or anything like that.
Yep.
All right, so check this out. I'm going to take your card. I'm going to lose it somewhere in the deck, okay? And
Yep.
we'll get back to that later, of course. All right. All right. So check this out. The 2 queens, if I just go like this, you see there's actually a blue card in between them. Now, you're probably wondering what that card is. It's actually your card. Now check this out. Check this out. So your card, right? If I take it and I rub it back on the queens, see, it actually goes back to red. But that blue ink, it has to go somewhere, right? So it actually transfers to the queens. Now check this out. That's just the beginning, okay? So I'm actually going to take your card. I'm going to lose it somewhere inside the deck, okay? Just put it in here somewhere. It doesn't matter where. All right, so we'll take the queens. All right. Now I'm actually gonna do this. We'll leave them right here for a minute, and let's take them and let's put them somewhere inside the deck like this, somewhere in the middle. I'm gonna put them right next to each other, okay, inside the deck. If I just snap, look, 1 card actually appears in between the queens. And that is your card. Now, there's actually an even crazier, believe it or not, actually it gets even crazier. So look, I'll take the 2 queens, all right, the 2 blue queens, and let's leave them right here for a second. Yeah, let's leave them right here. And then we'll take your card and put it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Okay, so put it somewhere about middle. Okay. And then we'll take the queens, we'll put them inside the deck, but this time, to make it harder, I'm going to separate them. All right. So let's take the queens and put them far apart from each other. So we'll put one way down here and one way up here. All right. So that way there's no way they're even anywhere close to each other. But if I just go like this, they come right back together with 1 card in between them.
That's great, man. I love it.
Now there's a problem though. There's a problem with this. The problem is that there's 2 blue queens and a red deck of cards. So what do we do about that? Well, we take the queens, okay? And if I leave them here, if I take the deck, okay, and I just rub it on the queens like this, see the queens actually go back to their original color. And not only that, but you see there's actually no blue cards anywhere inside this deck. There it is.
That's great, man. Hey, what's your YouTube channel?
It is Sean Hawk Magic. I'll paste it right there. So
I have ADHD. Magic
Yeah.
helps me concentrate, so I'll concentrate on the magic trick, try to figure out what's happening. Couldn't figure out shit on that one.
yeah, thanks, man.